Hello subscriber, myself Tejas Karar. In this video we are going to talking about the project in which a simple game is developed. In this game a player has to guess the number which is already stored in the program. First I'll show you how the game works. In this game the number 58 is already stored. So while compiling this we will hide the number. As this is demonstration, so I am showing you the number. As a no man player, the player has to genuinely guess, like in this code I'll try the garbage value which is beyond 1 to 100. Now you can see it's saying out of bounds. Now we try some another values. It's saying you are far away. After putting 60, it's telling us that you are close to the answer. As we choose or enter the correct number, it will pop up the message, congratulations, you guessed it in only 3 guesses. Okay, so this was the demonstration of the game. Now I'll explain the actual coding or Python code behind this. The game is very simply coded using basic statements of Python. Any user or any fresher to developing can easily perform this code. So we'll explain this one by one. I will explain. Okay. First, in this code, in this lining, in these lines, we have imported a random integer function from a random library, and we have stored the random value which is imported by this function in a variable name as default number. For your convenience I am printing this variable. Okay, later on we are printing some of the instructions of rule for the player. Okay, then next we are creating a list in which the attempts made by the player will be gonna stored, and as every attempt in this line, every single attempt is appending in that list at the end. Okay, later on we have developed this while loop in which the entire block or entire game is running. This line take an input from user in integer form. As you can say, here it is discussed that I am thinking of a number between 1 to 100. What is your guess? As soon as the player enter number, it come to this line. If number is less than 1 or greater than 100, then it will print out of bounds. Okay, like if any player enter a incorrect value, then this message will be pop up. Okay, later on we have used the continue to execute the further block of code. Later on in this code, as any user find or guess the correct integer stored in the game, he will get the message, congratulations, you guessed it only in the number of attempts the player made. In this code, in else function, we have defined two statements. If the guess made by player is within the range of 10 after or before the actual number stored, then the program will pop up the message you are closed. And if the player is far away from the 10 places after and before the number, then it will show that you are far away. Okay, so this is very simple block of code. I will provide you the link in description for this code, and you can easily perform it at your own. I personally recommend you that first you should try it that this code by yourself, and later on you can refer that notes. Okay, thank you.